This is Paul, and like almost everyone, Paul uses a smartphone. He attends university. You probably know the situation for sure. Paul is in a lecture and he forgot to silence his smartphone. This is pretty embarrassing for Paul and annoying for his fellow students. My idea is the following. What if the future smartphone automatically switches its ringtone profile based upon time and positioning data? Now, Paul's smartphone knows that he's currently in a lecture according to his schedule and based on the positioning data that he's at an educational point of interest. It concludes to activate the silent mode.